Okay, I'll call it. If you're a traveler, adventure seeker, or some adrenaline junkie doing a lot of crazy action, you gotta have this camera. Legit.
Okay, alright.
Hey guys, Joe here back with another tech review video. So if you have been following my recent posts on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, you know that I have been using the new Insta360 X3. I've been using this camera for around a month now, and I have to say that it's just wow. I'm so amazed by the capabilities of this Insta360. If you want to start shooting 360 footage, you gotta have this camera right now. So before you buy an Insta360 X3, let me tell you its features and my own personal experience using this camera. So the biggest advantage of using an Insta360, it can capture the whole 360-degree scene. So whatever is in the front, the back, the top, and the bottom of this camera, it can capture everything. And let me emphasize on everything. Basically, you don't need to think too much about shooting a particular shot. Just hold the camera at a particular angle, and you can reframe it later on in the Insta360 studio. That way, you don't have to miss moments that are happening around you. Like this one.
Just a quick quickie about come everyone come.
Another thing that's cool about the Insta360, your selfie stick disappears. Honestly, this has been a pet peeve of mine even with traditional cameras. I never liked selfie sticks because it's a distraction in the scene. And I just love it that it just disappears as if someone else is shooting you, but it's just you shooting yourself. So the Insta360 X3 has an upgraded half-inch sensor that can shoot up to 5.7 360 HDR footage at 30 FPS and can shoot a whopping 72 megapixel 360 photo, which is unheard of in any action camera that I've encountered so far. Based on these few specs alone, it's already a huge upgrade from the Insta360 onex 2. With the footage and photo quality, you'll be happy with what this camera can produce. It can also shoot a stunning 8K 360 time-lapse. Combine that with the new sensor, it's just amazing. If you are a fan of bullet time, they have made a setting for this type of shot. It allows you to shoot 4K 120 FPS or 3K 180 FPS to give that nice cinematic movement. They also added a loop recording. With this, the camera overrides the beginning of the video to make way for new footage to be captured. You can actually use the Insta360 X3 like a dashcam if you prefer this feature. Looking closely at the X3, they increased the touchscreen to 2.29 inches and made it tempered glass, so you don't have to worry too much about the extreme stuff. It is rugged and waterproof up to 10 meters or 33 feet. This camera survived the extreme water slides of Aquaplanet, and I'm happy it performed. Regardless of how bumpy and crazy the rides were, its flow state stabilization combined with a 360-degree horizon lock just keeps everything steady and leveled. The X3 is now powered with a bigger 1800 mAh battery, which gives 10% more juice to this camera. Now, to my fellow vloggers or people who just don't want to use the 360 features of the X3, you can actually do that with the single lens mode. This feature just turns off the 360 feature and you can shoot like what a normal camera does. You can actually shoot the front or use it as a selfie camera. You can shoot it at 4K 30 FPS or 2.7K, which you can unlock its extremely wide 170-degree video max view. But what if you want to streamline, like in a particular scenario where you want the X3 to focus on, let's say, only me? Well, you guessed it, it has a me mode. With me mode, you don't need to edit the full 360 footage in post-production to target yourself, cause the AI of the X3 will keep shooting you in the frame. Less hassle in terms of editing. The thing about me mode though, you have to angle the X3 around a 90-degree angle for it to work. In terms of shooting audio, they have improved the audio with 4 mics around the camera and a fully upgraded audio algorithm. The only thing that may ruin the audio for this camera is different elements like water or dirt that may cover the microphones. I tried vlogging at Aquaplanet but I decided not to continue because the water droplets just covers the microphone. So you just need to shake out what's covering the microphone to get the good audio. But without the elements, this is what the microphone sounds like. So here in Wilmel's Resort, if it's in season, the owner can allow you to harvest the landan. In terms of user experience, the quick control buttons just make things easier because I can set my preset settings without the hassle of setting it up on the spot. And whenever I press the record button, I know the X3 is recording without checking the screen because it creates a vibration feedback which I can feel while holding the selfie stick. You can also control the Insta360 using the new voice control 2.0, especially when you can't reach the camera, like for scenarios like you're riding a bike and you don't want to reach out your hand just to press the record button. They also improved the Wi-Fi transfer, so editing your 360 files are just easier and smoother than ever. Editing on the Insta360 app just became more fun with the AI editing, so creators can get creative with the different templates inside the app which regularly updates so that new viral-worthy templates can be used for your shots. Now here are a few things to keep in mind when using a 360 camera. 1, they eat up a lot of space. So I suggest investing on SD cards that are around 128 gigabytes, especially when you shoot at 5.7K. Reframing 360 footages does take a lot of work, so make sure to streamline if you don't plan on using 360 footages. Try using preset like me mode or single lens mode. You can also edit using the auto feature in the Insta360 app. So it has an AI that edits the footage for you. That way you don't have to manually edit it yourself. Overall, the Insta360 X3 has been a powerful addition to my creative shooting. I love that this became my first 360 camera. I'm not disappointed at all with what they did with this. It's a tool that I won't leave home without it. You will see me a lot using this, especially in my future travel videos. So please stay tuned and watch out for those. Alrighty, so that ends my tech review video for the day. Here's a question for the day. What is your favorite feature of the new Insta360 X3? Please go ahead and comment down, like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified of future videos like this. This is Joe Serrano and I'll see you in the next one. See ya guys!